Hello guys, welcome to Code Runner YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to see a different topic of how to create a video editing model. So before we going to see how to create it, now I going to tell you why I create this model and the usage of the model. In past 1 month I am posting skill rank, daily challenge and daily test solution video in C++ language only. So the pattern follows like this. So here is my video pattern. First you can see a title card. After that you can see daily challenge solution in C++. So after you can see daily test solution in C++. So after you can see at the end card consists of thanks for watching. So this is my pattern of my video. I decided to improve my content of my video. So I decided to post skill rank daily challenge and the daily test solution in 3 languages. They are C++, Java and Python. So if I code daily challenge and daily test solution in each languages, I can have 6 images. So I need to align the 6 images correctly with the title and the end card. So it takes more than 30 minutes to edit my video. So I decided to create a video editing model to save my time. This is the reason why I create the model. So you can also use this model to create your YouTube video or some other videos. So now we going to see what are the dependencies we need to build that model. So for the first dependency we need is Python. So hope you all have the Python interpreter. After installing Python, we need a model called Moviepy. So to install Moviepy, copy this command and paste it in your CMD and press enter. So it shows the requirement already satisfied because I already installed the model. So after installing Moviepy, we need another model is called OpenCV. So this is OpenCV model for Python. You need to copy this line and paste it in CMD. So it also shows requirement satisfied because I already have the model. So after that we need one more software called Image Magic. So to install this, click this link and it will redirect to Image Magic software web page. So after click this download button. So after move to Windows binary release. So after this, click this link to install the software. So here you can see I already installed the software. So I did not going to install it. So here you see that software. So I am going to install it. So accept the user agreement and click next. And next. You need to click this all the check boxes and click next and click install. So now it get installed. So ignore this error message. So you can see here the software is getting successfully installed and click on finish. So after installing this, you need to edit one file. The file is config default.py. So you can find this file in your Python site packages. So for that I am going to move to Python site packages. So I use Python 3.10. So in that I am going to lib site packages and I am going to Moviepy model. So here, so and after this you can see config.default.py. I am going to open this. Here you need to paste your image magic path. So to find the image magic, go to C drive, program files, and image magic. You can see. You can go to copy this file name and this part 2. So .exe. So after paste it, save the file. Our setup now over. For this project, we did not going to install these two libraries. So that's all about the setup, and that's all about today's video. We will going to see how to create that video editing software in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.